What's up guys, Chef Shan here, back with another video. You guys love the all new Kitchen Ninja series, part 1 and 2. Here I am, back with part 3, with some amazing, handy and creative kitchen gadgets that you'll totally love to have in your kitchen. Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright. First product on my list is a multi-purpose magic product. Check out the 3-in-1 magic board. This is a very interesting space-saving handy product. How? Let me show you. First, it's a normal cutting board. Build is very strong, BPA-free plastic, super sturdy. Yep, you can use it to cut vegetables, fruits, whatever you want to. Second, boom bah. Fold the 4 corners and lock it, and it turns into a colander, or say a washing basket. It has big holes to drain water. You can use it to wash vegetables, fruits, meat, whatever. Awesome, right? Super handy. And third, it can be used as a normal storage or fruit basket on the table. Comes in multiple colors and is dishwasher safe as well. When not in use, just unfold the basket and ta-da, it's back to being a normal cutting board, which does not occupy much space in your kitchen. Here are the dimensions for your reference. Even when in basket mode, it's packed and does not occupy much space.
Shan?
A very handy creative 3-in-1 product which, trust me, you will love to have in your kitchen. For around ₹299, definitely worth it. Personal use or for gifting would be a good one. Wanna grab it? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Second product on my list too is something you would love to have in your kitchen or dining table. Meet the antique 24-piece cutlery set. This is fantastic. Let me show you. In the box you have different spoon sets, a base and a small tree. When all these come together, ta-da, that's how it looks. Awesome, right? A good quality spoon and fork set that looks stunning to have in your kitchen or dining table. Each spoon is made of good quality stainless steel, and the handle and the base is made of virgin plastic. You get a total of 24 pieces, 6 soup spoons, 6 forks, 6 teaspoons and 6 dessert spoons. All this you can place in this nice base. Very convenient to get the right type of spoon when you need one. To top it all, the base is rotatable, so handy when it's on your dining table.
Shan, get ready to go somewhere.
This 24-piece good quality cutlery set with a beautiful base costs around ₹575 and comes in red, brown and green colors. Will be an awesome one to own or give someone. We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Third product on my list makes your life easy while cooking. Check out the Glen Mini Chopper, a super handy electric vegetable chopper that speeds up your cooking, especially handy when you cook for a large family. I have featured manual vegetable choppers in my previous episodes, but this is totally electric and is super fast and convenient. Let me show you. In the box you have an extra bowl. Yup, it comes with 2 bowls. Helps prevent flavor mixing, especially when working with foods like onion, garlic, eggs, etc. Also you can store it directly in the fridge with this lid that you get in the box. Then you have the chopper unit. Then a bowl with a blade for chopping, etc. And 1 whisker disc for beating eggs, batter, cocktails, whatever. Finally, a manual, which is a must read. Cutting vegetables at home is always a time-consuming process. That's where this jumps in to help you. Here is a closer look at the Glen Electric Vegetable Chopper. Top, you have the 250-watt motor unit with a press button to activate it. The bowl you get is 400 ml, and as said, you get 2 of them. And they are made of food-grade plastic, and it's very sturdy. It's super easy to use. Fix the blade in the bowl. Cut the vegetables that you want to chop in 3 to 4 chunks and put it inside the bowl. Let's try with carrot and beans first. Connect the top unit and power it up. Now press the top button on and off 4 to 5 times. And ta-da! Magic, right? Nicely chopped carrot and beans. Be it onions, potato, anything that you want just takes a few seconds to chop, which usually takes a lot of time if you do it manually. Use the whisker disc to beat eggs, batter with ease. a fantastic must-have product. The electric model with 2 bowls costs around Rs 1300 and with a single bowl for around Rs 1000. You get 2 years warranty. The non-electric manual chopper costs around Rs 500. I will leave the best links to all models in the description. Choose as per your need. Trust me, you will love it once this is in your kitchen. Fourth product is something creative. If you have guests at home, they will be awestruck. Check this out, a Tela Gadi. Not just any Tela, but a creative serving tray. Yup, you heard that right. Awesome. Made of wood and metal, has a very realistic look to it. Top tray is wood and bottom wheels are metal and rubber. In fact, you can move freely. Looks very solid. Here are the dimensions for your reference. This is specially designed to serve snacks like pakoras, samosas, sandwiches, etc. Wooden tray on top can hold a couple of small teacups and snack plates. So next time you have guests at home, impress them with refreshments and snacks in this beautiful serving tray. Handy to even have on a large dining table to move dishes. A simple yet creative product. Can also be used as a nice decor item. For around Rs 750, a good one to own or even gift someone. Wanna grab it? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, now it's time for the special product of the video. And this time, I have something feature packed. A microwave on a budget with tons of features. Meet the Whirlpool Magic Cook Pro 20 SE. If you're looking to buy a good microwave for reheating, defrosting and cooking, then this should be on your to consider list.
Shan, read what's written on the box. Come on, Shan. Aye.
Cut open. In the box you have the microwave itself, glass turntable, user manual which is a must read, and finally warranty info booklet. And here is the Whirlpool Magic Cook Pro 20 SE. It has 20 liters capacity and the output is 700 watts. Build looks very premium. In fact, in this range you don't get to see much options with feather touch control and LED display. Usually they are old manual knob type. So in that aspect, look wise and feature wise, I am happy. This should be good enough for a small family. Now coming to the features, it has tons of options and I don't want to get in depth. So let me give you a quick idea. Microwave, it has 5 different power levels to ensure that your food is cooked at the right temperature to give you the best results. Defrost, when you take frozen stuff from your fridge, helps defrost it quickly, like meat, vegetables, etc. Yogurt, this helps to make homemade yogurt, that's interesting. Dough rising, helps you prepare dough. Keep warm, helps you keep food warm, kinda like in ready to consume state. Soft melt, to melt butter, soften ice cream, etc. Then the main highlight, auto cook. It comes with tons of auto cook options. All you need to do is just press the auto cook button, then press the plus or minus to select the desired recipe, then press the jet start button to confirm the recipe. Just refer the manual guys. Then the auto clean to clean the oven, plus or minus to input food menu code, clock time, cook time, weight, etc. Stop to stop or cancel cooking. Jet start to start the cooking. Then the LED top part has 8 icons around it. Refer manual for detailed description. Then a button to open the door. It's press type, so keeps the oven secure, and it also has a child lock, handy in houses with small children. This magic microwave not only helps to reheat food, but also helps you to cook a variety of delicious dishes that will blow your mind. Tons to explore guys. Just get a microwave storage container set like this and it will be handy. I have one from Princeware which is microwave safe, freezer safe and dishwasher safe. You get 7 containers for 185, but you get another model with 17 containers for around Rs 350. Decent build quality for what you pay. We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. For around Rs 4,699, this is one of the best budget microwaves I've come across and I would totally recommend it for sure. Personal use or even for gifting. A handy one to have in your kitchen. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Phew! So that's it for another amazing episode in our Kitchen Ninja series. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best buy links are in the description, check it out. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control guys, so please understand. New to TechShan, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.